Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty, and if not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my August Yes or Yes bag. So if you guys don't know, I do have a link with them. If you use my link, you can get 10% off your first box, but your first box only if you guys want to get 10% off your first box. Look down on that description box. I do have the link on the description box, but I always have it in all my videos. So if you guys ever feel like you want to try, you can just come to one of my videos and click the link and you automatically get 10% off. But if you don't use the link, you won't get 10% off. But okay, before I continue, I do want to let you guys know that I am having a giveaway on my Instagram right now. You can go ahead and go to my Instagram and enter to win everything that's on the screen right now. One of the extra entries will be to be subscribed to my channel. So if you guys aren't ready, you guys can go ahead and subscribe before you exit the video or before you leave my channel. It ends on September 6th and I'll be picking a winner on September 7th. The winner will be DM'd and I will be picking the winner on my Instagram story like I always do. And yeah, I love you guys and thank you guys for the support. And now back to the video. Yeah, just to let you guys. So if you guys don't know, Yes or Yes is a monthly subscription where you get 5 to 7 full-size products a month for $14.99 a month plus shipping and handling. And yeah, I'm like obsessed. So it came in a black one this month. The thing that I really like about the Yes or Yes is that they always send you a palette, whether it's an eyeshadow palette or a face palette, but it's always a palette. So pretty excited about that. Okay, so this month the theme was time to travel. That's the little card. And this month we saved 85.7% off retail value. The retail of everything this month was $95. And if you do receive a free gift for every 4 consecutive months that you are with them. So every 4 months you email them and they'll send you a free gift. And I keep forgetting to do it. Like they owe me like what, 3? But yes, okay. So the first thing is a Relief Eye Serum. This is by Satik. I think that's how you pronounce it. Satik. This is yeah, it's the Relief Eye Serum. It's for all skin types, and it has pomegranate, and it brightens your eyes. Sorry, I can't read. I'm trying to read more stuff about this. Satik uses a science to identify the most beneficial botanicals, creating radiant beauty. Our formulations leverage fresh herbs cultivated on USDA certified organic farms and are never mass produced. With your purchase, we provide support for Fruits and Love mission. And then it just tells you the website. Our lightweight formula absorbs quickly while soothing and softening the appearance of wrinkle lines and the puffiness under your eyes. Formulated with a unique, luxurious, and deeply penetrating pomegranate fruit seed and eyebright leaf extract while harvested from Southeast Europe organic farms. Nice. So it is vegan. It has no GMO. It's gluten-free, soy-free, alcohol-free, pH balanced, and biodegradable. Damn, that's a lot of shit. This is what the packaging looks like. So the mail lady was a little rough with my package because this came all wrinkled, the box, and then the eyeshadow palette came broken. And I was like, what'd you play me like that for? But you know, I fixed the eyeshadow palette. I'll show you guys right now. But this is what the eye serum looks like. It is pretty liquidy. You guys can tell it's pretty liquidy. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like a lemon or something. That smells really good. It is in a glass bottle. Okay. The next thing is a silicone brush. A silicone sponge. This is by Pure Cosmetics. This is their Silicone Pro Blender. It applies liquid and cream cosmetics with no waste, hassle-free cleanup, and it's latex-free, sans-free, and it claims to last up to a year. Nice. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Okay, put that back in the box. I put everything back in the box because then if I don't, I forget to take a picture for the thumbnail and shit. So I'm just put it back in the box. Okay, the next thing is a brush. This is by Aesthetica Cosmetics or Aesthetica Beauty. This is a two-sided brush. It has a spoolie and it has an angled side. Oh, this is what the brush looks like. It has an angled side and then it has a little spoolie. Que ya doble, but that's fine. I love getting brushes because who doesn't need extra brushes, you know? The next thing is by Mirabella Cosmetics. This is their eye primer, eyeshadow primer. Yeah, eyeshadow primer, has no shade or anything. I'm guessing it's clear, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take out all the packaging. Well, I like the packaging. It's pretty. Look at that. The eyeshadow primer, and then you open it, and that's the eyeshadow primer. I think it's clear. It's somewhat clear. It's a little chunky. Probably have to spread it around. I don't know. I will be trying it out though because I love eyeshadow primers because that saves me from using my concealer. So the last thing is the eyeshadow palettes. This is from Mavi. This is their Take Me to Stockholm eyeshadow palette. I like the packaging. It is so pretty. So this eyeshadow palette is cruelty free, paraben free, gluten free, and it's vegan friendly. Okay, so it does slide out, and it's just the same as the outside packaging. And oh, it's a little rough, but that male lady. So this is the eyeshadow palette. It is really pretty. This is the one that broke and I fixed it. So what I did is I put alcohol on it and I just pressed it down with a tissue. So it's pretty much good to go. Well, actually a really pretty shade. But yeah, when I got it, it was like everywhere. And then some of the other ones were chipped too, and I was so pissed. But it is a really pretty palette and I'm excited to use it. And yeah, that comes. And it comes with the mirror, of course. And yeah, that is it for this video, guys. That is all that I got for this month. And yeah, you know, if you guys want to try it out, you guys can get 10% off with your first box. And of course, you can cancel whenever you want. I do really like it. I like it because they send you. I really like it because they have sent me products of brands that I've never heard of or that I've never used. So that gives me like a win-win because I get to try out new products from new brands. So yeah. And yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.